I know you're not a dummy, but welcome to my series, Marketing Data for Dummies. Have you ever wondered how marketers or website owners can understand how many users visited their website in a day? It all comes down to simple tracking pixels, such as those used for Google Analytics or Google Tag Manager. There are many platforms that use these pixels, and there are many ways to configure them, but in their simplest forms, it really is just a tiny little snippet of code, typically JavaScript, that lives on the back end of your website. Usually it's placed by a web developer or whomever works on your website. That little code acts like a sort of security camera or a watcher of what the users are doing on your website. So in the next scene, a user comes to your website, maybe they click some buttons, they maybe fill out your lead form, make a purchase. That little snippet of code is listening and watching what that user does on your website. I know, a little creepy, but then it's bundling up all of that data, passing it on to Google servers if you're using Google Analytics. So all of that data gets nicely bundled up in the right order to pass on to Google Analytics or wherever else you're storing data, so that you can view that in reports telling you where users came from, what pages they viewed, maybe what they did on your website, all of that great stuff. That's then how advertisers, marketers can understand how many hits or impressions or views you got on any given day. Again, that's the simplest form. It can get really complex. You can do a lot of customized tracking. There are lots of different tools that do different things, but that is the most basic form of how Google Analytics works.